Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's session, let us discuss some important MCQs on the topic inventory control. Inventory control is chapter number 4 in the subject Cost and Works Accounting paper 1. So these MCQs will be helpful for the students who are preparing for the university examination. So without wasting time, let's start the session. The first question, first MCQ is inventory control is an important part of dash management. The correct answer is option A, material. Inventory control is an important part of material management. Next question, question number 2. A system which assures the provision of the required quantity of inventory of the required quality at the required time with minimum amount of capital is known as inventory control. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. To help dash in taking inventory decision is one of the objective of inventory control. So the answer of question number 3 is option B, management. To help management in taking inventory decision is one of the objective of inventory control. Question number 4. Dash involves verifying the physical quantities of stores in hand. The correct answer is stock taking. So there are option A, pricing of issue, option B, material control, and option C is stock taking. So the correct answer is option C. Stock taking involves verifying the physical quantities of stores in hand. Next question, question number 5. Stock taking is essential to know the correctness of the balance shown in bin card and dash account. Options are suspend, option B, financial, and option C, store ledger. So the correct answer is option C, store ledger. So stock taking is essential to know the correctness of balance shown in bin card and store ledger account. Question number 6. Stock verifying sheet is also known as dash sheet. So stock verifying sheet is also known as inventory sheet. So the options are given as below. Option A, inventory, option B, valuation, option C is performance. So the correct answer is option A, inventory. Question number 7. Dash inventory system is a method of recording stores balance at the time of each receipt and issue to facilitate regular checking and stock taking. So the answer is option C, perpetual. Perpetual inventory system is a method of recording store balance at the time of each receipt and issue to facilitate regular checking and stock taking. Next question, question number 8. Dash is the portion of raw material lost in processing, storage and handling having no recover value. Option A is scrap, option B is waste, and option C is spoilage. So option B, waste. Waste is the answer. Waste is the portion of raw material lost in processing, storage, handling having no recoverable value. Question number 9. Dash is incidental residue for certain types of manufacture, usually of low value, recover without further processing. Scrap is the answer. Option C, scrap. Question number 10. Dash is result of various causes such as substandard material, bad supervision and carelessness in planning, etc. Options are defective work, option B, scrap, option C, wastage. So the answer for question number 10 is defective work is the result of various causes such as substandard material, bad supervision, and carelessness in planning, etc. Question number 11. Dash is defined as the material which in the process of manufacture are badly damaged and beyond rectified, and thus the result sought to be disposed of as second. So the correct answer for question number 11 is spoilage. Option B. Question number 12. ABC analysis is an important dash of inventory control. So options are process, method, technique. Correct answer is option C, technique. ABC analysis is an important technique of inventory control. Question number 13. ABC analysis is a technique of material control according to dash. So options are number, option B value, option C quality. So ABC analysis is a technique of material control according to option B value. Value is the correct answer. Next, inventory turnover is dash of the value of material consumed during a period to average value of inventory period during the period. So options are percentage, ratio, or index. So the correct answer is ratio. Inventory turnover is a ratio of the value of material consumed during a period to average value of inventory during the period. Next question, question number 15. Dash helps the management to know the fast and slow moving material in stock. Options are inventory ratio, option B stock level, option C pricing of issue. So correct answer is inventory ratio helps the management to know the fast and slow moving material in stock. Next question, question number 16. A higher inventory turnover ratio indicates that the material item is dash moving. So options are non-moving, option B slow, option C fast. So the correct answer is fast. A higher inventory turnover ratio indicates that the material item is fast moving. Next question. A high turnover ratio means dash risk of privilege. So option A lower, option B higher, option C consistent. So option A is the correct answer, that is lower risk. Question number 18. Material turnover ratio is computed by dividing dash with the average stock. Options are total cost, option B cost of material consumed, option C inventory ratio. So the correct answer is option B cost of material consumed. So material turnover ratio is computed by dividing cost of material consumed with the average stock. Next question. Stock of material consumed is computed by deducting closing stock from the total of opening stock and dash. Options are sell, purchase or consumable. So the correct answer is option B purchase. So stock or cost of material consumed is computed by deducting closing stock from the opening stock from the total of opening stock and purchases. Option B is the correct answer. Last question, question number 20. In ABC analysis, the category A includes item with small quantity but high value. The answer is high value. Okay, so these are the 20 important questions of chapter number 4, inventory control. I hope you have understood all the MCQs, and these MCQs will be helpful for you in the examination. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.